Hello everyone, here we've got ULEFONE Note 13P, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select display, and here click on wallpaper. Then click on system wallpaper, and now just choose the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. Let me pick, for example, this one. And now click on application. Decide if this picture should cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home and also lock screen. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.